ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Muhammad ElHaga, the math teacher at Alice's School Learning Center. I hope everybody's okay, you are safe and your family, your loved one, and please stay safe and stay clean, stay away from going outside, and I hope this time pass quickly or soon and things come back to normal. However, we are here with you today as every week with our video to explain a little bit or some math concepts to help you during your study time. You know, you can follow us on Facebook, communicate with us through the email or call school or texting or Go Guardian or PLP, whatever form you like. Also, you can come to school by appointment to get help or assistance as needed. Today we will talk about the inner function. Many students, they get confused about it and they don't know really what it is or how it works. But when they see two functions together and you want like to put one function inside the other, like you have two bags, you put one bag inside the other and you think, oh, what I'm doing or how to do that, and you get confused. So today I will give you a little bit information or some idea so can help you during your work. Okay, so inner function. So previously we talked about the function. There are two things are equal in both sides. When we say y equal ax plus b, this is a function. It has two variables on both sides. So this is a function. But now instead of y, what we do, we say this is f of x. It's a function of x. A function of x because the main or the independent element here is x. So this is why you change input, this is why you got as a result this output. So it's function of x. So now when we have two functions, we have one of them f of x and let's say the other one g of x. Okay. G of x. So right now we have two functions. One f of x, the other one is g of x. Let's say this is equal here mx minus c. They have something common, which is x. They have something common, which is x. But both functions are totally different. They are two different things, two different separate things. And we need to put one of them inside the other. So, how does it look like? So, for example, I need to put the g inside the f. I need to put the g inside the f. How does this look like? So, now the f outside, then you open a parenthesis. I put the g inside, so it will become here g of x. So what happened? I'm taking the g of x inside the f of x. I have x common, so I'm taking this function here and put it inside this function. So how does this look like in a theory? So this here is equal, or as we are working on. I have that f of x equals what? ax plus b. So just write it as it is. So here this is ax plus b. Then we have what inside g of x? The second function. So this second function will go inside the first one. So the g of x will go inside. Where exactly will go inside? That's where it go inside. What happened? I will replace the x and the f. I will move it away and replace it with the whole g of x function. So let's see it. Now equal a. I said I will replace the x from the f with the whole g of x. So what happened? You rewrite the f of x function as it is. That's what we did. We put the f of x, then we put g of x, and the other side, the f of x equal this guy here. Then, now we will come to the real replace it. But what I will replace it with? I will replace it with the gx. But where? I will take this in the x? No, you will take whatever equivalent for the gx. So gx equivalent to mx minus c. I know it's confusing, and it will take time for you to understand. There's no problem. We will keep repeating and take another example with numbers so you can understand. But right now, we're just explaining in theory or with letters. So here, mx minus c. So what happened? This x here, I'm not gonna write it down. What happened here? I will just put it. I will keep it place empty. Then I will keep going with the rest of the function I have, plus b. So what happened? Again, I'm trying to get the gx inside the f of x. So I write f, then after that I put the g of x inside. Then I put equal and write on the other side what f of x equal ax plus b. Then now I will reform it again. Now with the actual work to get the actual gx. So gx here equal mx minus c. That's what you need now to focus on. You will take mx minus c and replace it with the x in the actual, the one here. See, this is function number 1 and this is function number 2. So now I'm putting the gx inside, replacing the x with mx minus c. So I wrote the f of x again, but without the x, and left it empty. Now, what I will do, just write the gx. So here it's mx minus c. So I'm replacing the x in the equation number 1 with the whole equation number 2. Now you're getting the gx inside the fx. Again, what we need to do, this is inner function. You take an equation or a function and you put it inside another function. That's how it works. I will take equation number 2 inside the equation number 1. So I'm putting the f outside. So first thing, I'm writing the equation number 1 here. Then I will put equation number 2 inside here. Following step. Just you keep going. What equation number 1 equals? It's equal ax plus b. Just write it as a step. It's an extra step, but write it down. The following step, you remove x. You rewrite the same equation again, but let's keep it with the same colors so you don't get confused. So here, a, right, plus b. So what happened? I rewrite the whole equation again, but without x. Why? Because I'm replacing x with the other equation, or equation number 2. Now you see that here, this function or this equation gone inside the first one. You see that? We take this x away, then put it in the first equation. Then you proceed to solve your problem. This is a simple thing here, multiplication. So a times mx, it's now I just work with letters. There is no numbers, so it become here a mx. Positive times positive is positive. Letters times letters, there is nothing. They are all different. Just write it down. Then here, positive times negative is negative. A times c give you ac, and this is the constant, or this is the last element by itself, plus b as it is. You can simplify it more than that because this is the simplest form. There is nothing common between any of these terms. Now, how to do two numbers, and I hope that everyone knows. when we have f of x equal 5x minus 1, and this is equation number 1. So here, this is number 1. Then we have q of x, this is equal just 5x. And this is number 2. So equation number 1, we have f of x equal 5x minus 1. Equation number 2, or function number 2, qx equal 5x. Now we will do what? The same thing, but we will do it in numbers. And I will do it in 2 ways. I will take 1 inside 2, then we will do 2 inside 1. So I said 1 inside 2. 1 is what? F of x inside qx. So what will be outside q? So here come as q, then open parentheses f, another parenthesis x. So what happened? I'm taking the f of x inside the qx. So I'm taking this here inside this here. So the following step is equal. What I said, I'm just going to write the qx function as this. So q here, then it's equal 5x. Then the following step, I write the equation without the x, 5, and a big parenthesis. Now in the replacing. Now I will replace the x with the other equation. I will replace x with the other equation. What inside the q? The f. So that's mean this f get inside here. This mean the f go inside here. Let's go to errors. We have here what? F of x went inside the qx. Then what we have here? The 5x minus 1 will go and replace the x, or go inside the x here. And that's what we did. Q, f of x, then 5x. So the 5x, the 5 as it is. Nothing can change. I'm just replacing the x with the what? 5x minus 1. With the whole other equation. So we come here, 5x minus 1. And the following step is to simplify. 5 times 5 positive times positive is positive. 5 times 5 is 25. Then there is no other variable, just x. So become 25x. And 5 times negative 1, positive times negative is negative. 5 times 1 is 5. And this become as q equal function of x. Now, what happens if I want to do the opposite? The opposite is what? I'm replacing now. I will take 2 inside 1. So let's just separate them. So this become here f of qx. F of what? Of qx. That's me. I'm taking the qx, now I'm flipping, switching. I'm taking the qx, put it inside the f. The qx inside the f. So, same steps, what I'm just being done. Here's equal. 5x minus 1. Then the following step, equal. 5, replacing x, so I'm putting parentheses, then minus 1. What happened? You just rewrite the whole equation again without x. Why without x? Because now we're replacing x with what? With the other function, which is 5x only. So right now, I'm replacing this x with 5x. So it's going to be here 5x. Then 5 times 5, positive times positive is positive. So 5 times 5, this is equal 25x. Then I have here left this negative 1 is separate from this side, so just write down minus 1. And this here, f of q of x. Now we see the difference. This one here 25x minus 5, and this one here 25x minus 1. Thank you, and I hope that will be helpful. It was helpful for you a little bit. If you need help or assistance, again, please contact us, communicate with us. We are here to help you anytime you want, anytime you need help. Just stay safe and do your best. The year is about to end. We're sad that we can't see you guys during this time, because that should be the best time during the year. It's a graduation time and almost summertime and all of activities. Hopefully we can catch some if the school back before the end of the year. If not, we will see you next year. Stay safe, good luck, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.